Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Yo! We are out in Ohio. We're here for the Arnolds. We're just going out for some breakfast. We brought Amy along. Oh, it is absolutely freezing in Ohio. Code GOAT on Young LA and My Protein. Getting it in early because I would not be able to do these crazy things without them. He has been spotted. You good, bro? Can you touch him? Whoa. Let's go IHOP. Breakfast is served. Oh. Cheers, you man. If you know me and my little brother Jack, we have the biggest sweet tooth in the game. So you can't get these in the UK, but I've just raided the shelves and picked up basically every single packet of sour strips. How sick is that? Some just influencer, Max Tuning, he just made a sweet brand one day that tastes bussin', slightly lower cal, and now Haribo just bought it. Or Hershey. Maybe me and Jack bring out some sort of sweet brand soon. Oh, we're heading off for our first gym session of the trip. It was so random. Last night, when we came into this hotel, some boy was also sponsored by Young LA, and he was like, yo, nice to meet you, bro, like, whatever. Turns out he's hitting a gym session there, and he's a lovely guy. He invited me along.
What's up, gang? Yeah, we're gonna blow this chest up.
We've done the first exercise, and I have a random fucking adhesion.
Partials.
I have like blood spots underneath my eyes from like the physical strain. We said we're gonna have a couple wines with him before the dinner to get, you know, that Dutch courage. Tonight's gonna be a fun night. Rate the fit. Full Young LA head to toe. We made it to the place. Second drink of the night. Necking it? Yep. Oh, this is gonna be a rough one, you man. I'm very drunk right now. Big up the family. It's mad because I can't even see the screen until I'm this close. Where the fuck is Mikey?
He's probably off talking to some broad. Probably not, actually.
See, I love that. Well, where the fuck is he?
He's here, man. He's here. You don't see him till it's too late, bro.
Bro, you're smashing it, bro. I'm so fucking proud of you. I appreciate it.
Oh, that was a shot.
Cheers, guys.
That's a sick ass shot, bro.
That's
God,
what I'm saying.
damn.
Young LA.
Young LA. Code GOAT.
Yeah, that was pretty easy.
I'm fucked up.
How many shots have you had?
A lot.
I feel fucked. Yesterday was fucked up. The I love you speech came out way too early. Anyway, we got the event today in like half hour.
I feel like I'm in a fever dream right now, kind of seeing double vision. We made it. I'm gonna have to apologise to everyone that I said I love you to. This is looking wild. Like, it's a mixture of excitement and like anxiety right now. We made it to the My Protein booth. I've been given the most fucked job. I have to walk around the gaff with this thing and bring people to the My Protein stand. Who likes My Protein? I do. Code GOAT on My Protein. Fuck. Only Young LA would fucking drive a Lambo into the event. Oh, hey, buddy. We reviving. We reviving. Give us a little wise words of wisdom. If you're not having a good day, just drink alcohol. That's what I'm saying. Cheers to that, buddy. Somehow I've managed to get roped into the gym event. Good morning, motherfuckers. It is day 2 of the Arnolds. We're waking up way less groggy this morning. Yesterday, I threw up. I was gonna video it, but I thought, nah, I'm too fucked to even video it. But we're chilling today. Alright, real quick, you man are about to fucking witness history.
I'm about to hit 794 pounds.
794 pounds! Come on! Yeah! It is day 3. I had like 5 shots yesterday. And I feel like, do you know, like anxiety? Taking over me. Everyone went out like to a club or some shit. I'm so gassed that me and Nathaniel just went for a cute meal. But yeah, last day at the Arnold's, absolute gassed. Cannot wait to just enjoy it. That is what, how are you gonna ingest?
No, like I didn't really, like,
that.
They said that was $7 and a regular pancake was $5. So for $2 extra, I get like 5 pancakes.
Yeah, that is wild. I'll be down to go out today. We'll see what the plan is, I don't know. I'm about to challenge a random ass guy to an arm wrestle in order to win a free tub of protein. Ready, go! We got the dub. Apparently I nearly broke my arm. He was like, yeah, if you was in that position for any longer, it would have been broken. That is a wrap for the Arnolds. About to go smash a gym session now. Me, AB and Nathaniel. We spawned in the gym with a cheeky AB. I can't lie, I've just spotted my whole For You page in the gym. Hello, sir. And now, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. It is the final night, and we are going to a young LA dinner. We are extremely late. See what it's about. We're not getting smashed because the first night, you know, threw me off. Yeah, we're there already. Ugh. I feel like I've escaped the gulag. We're done. Ohio's over. You will not believe what is in front of me right now. Looky, looky, looky. It's crumble cookie.
S'mores. Oh my god.
Mission complete. Life goal ticked off. Crumble cookie has been devoured. It does live up to the hype. But overall, the trip has been amazing. Maybe catch you at the airport, maybe not.